fear. You're my refuge and my hope. When the storm of life is raging and the thunder's all I hear, you speak softly to my soul. Now I'm running to your mouth.